Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily Talk English. I'm Jack.
And I am Emma. Hi, everyone.
Okay, Emma, let me ask you something. If someone says to you, "Hey, how are you?" What do you say?
I say, I am fine, thank you.
Yes, everyone says, "I am fine, thank you," right?
Yes, always. Only I am fine, thank you.
But today, we are going to change that. Today, you will learn 10 different ways to answer, "How are you?"
Yes, 10 different ways, so you do not always say, I am fine, thank you.
Because, my friends, English is not just, "I am fine, thank you." English is so much more fun than that.
So much more fun, yes.
So today, Jack and Emma are here to teach you 10 amazing, easy, fun answers for "How are you?"
And all these answers are very simple, ultra beginner friendly. You can use them tomorrow in real life.
Yes, tomorrow, not after 10 years.
Tomorrow, in real life.
Okay, my friends, but before we start, please do one small thing for us.
Just one small thing.
Please press the like button right now. It really helps our channel grow.
And please subscribe to Daily Talk English so you never miss our new videos.
We upload every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday.
5 videos every week only for you.
So press subscribe, press the bell icon, and let's go.
Let's go!
Okay, Emma, let's start with our first 5 answers.
Yes, I am so excited. Let's go.
All right, answer number 1, are you ready?
Ready?
Answer number 1 is, "I am doing well, thank you."
I am doing well, thank you. Oh, I like this one.
Yes, this is a very clean answer, very polite, very simple.
So instead of I am fine, we say I am doing well.
Exactly. I am doing well, it means everything is good. Life is good. I am okay.
I am doing well, thank you. Let me say it again. I am doing well, thank you.
Very good, Emma. Now, friends, you say it too. Say it slowly. I am doing well, thank you.
Go slow, no rush. I am doing well, thank you.
Perfect. Beautiful. See? That was easy, right?
So easy.
Okay, answer number 2. I am great, thanks for asking.
Oh, I am great. Thanks for asking. This sounds so nice.
Yes, I am great. It means I am very good. Better than fine.
Better than fine. Yes.
And thanks for asking, this is a very polite addition. It shows good manners.
Good manners. Yes. In English, good manners are very important.
So when someone asks, "How are you?" and you are feeling happy, you say, "I am great, thanks for asking."
I am great. Thanks for asking. Friends, say it with me. I am great. Thanks for asking.
Slowly, I am great, thanks for asking.
Beautiful. I love this answer.
Okay, friends, are we having fun?
So much fun.
Good, let's keep going. Answer number 3. This one is very casual, very friendly.
Ooh, casual. I like casual.
Answer number 3 is, "Not bad, thanks."
Not bad. Thanks. How short and sweet.
Yes, not bad, it means I am okay. Not perfect, not amazing, but okay. Not bad.
So it is like middle answer. Not too good, not too bad.
Exactly, middle answer. And this is very natural in real English conversations.
Yes, real English, not textbook English.
Because, friends, real people do not always say, "I am fine." Real people say, "Not bad, pretty good." These are real answers.
Real answers, yes, and not bad, thanks, is very easy to remember.
Very easy. Just 3 words. Not bad, thanks. Done.
Done. Friends, say it. Not bad, thanks.
Say it again. Not bad, thanks.
One more time. Not bad, thanks.
Perfect. You are doing amazing, friends.
Amazing. I am so proud.
Okay, moving to answer number 4. This one is my personal favorite.
Ooh, your favorite? Tell me.
Answer number 4, pretty good. How about you?
Oh, pretty good. How about you? Jack, this is so good.
Yes, this answer is special. You know why?
Why? Tell us.
Because you're not just answering, you're also asking back. How about you? This means, and what about you? How are you?
Oh, wow. So it's like a conversation starter.
Exactly, a conversation starter. When you say, how about you, the other person talks more and the conversation continues.
So smart. This is a pro move.
Total pro move. And pretty good, it means quite good, fairly good. I am doing well.
Pretty good. How about you? Friends, this answer will make you sound so natural.
So natural, like a native speaker.
Say it with us. Pretty good. How about you?
Slowly and clearly. Pretty good. How about you?
One more time. Pretty good. How about you?
Excellent. You are killing it, friends.
Killing it. That means doing very well.
Yes, killing it is a fun English phrase. It means you are doing great.
Ooh, bonus phrase. Okay. Answer number 5.
Answer number 5, last one of part 1. I am doing good, and you?
I am doing good. And you? Simple and sweet.
Yes, very simple. I am doing good, similar to I am doing well, but more casual.
More casual, more friendly.
And again, and you're asking back. Conversation continues.
Always ask back, friends. It shows you care. It shows good English manners.
Great point, Emma. When you ask, and you, or how about you, the other person feels happy because you are interested in them too.
Yes, people love when you ask about them.
So, answer number 5, I am doing good, and you?
Say it, friends. I am doing good, and you?
One more time. I am doing good, and you?
Beautiful. Part 1 is done.
Part 1 is done. How are we feeling, everyone?
And what is the answer? Not I am fine. Use our new answers.
Yes, exactly. Comment below. How are you feeling right now using one of our new 5 answers?
Yes, comment. We read every comment.
Okay, let's take a quick look at what we learned in part 1.
Yes, quick review.
Number 1, I am doing well, thank you.
Number 2, I am great. Thanks for asking.
Number 3, not bad, thanks.
Number 4, pretty good. How about you?
Number 5, I am doing good, and you?
5 answers already, and so easy.
So easy. Now, part 2, 5 more amazing answers. Let's go.
Let's go.
Okay, friends, we are in part 2 now. 5 more answers.
5 more, and these are also very easy, I promise.
Answer number 6. I am fantastic, thanks.
I am fantastic. Ooh, this one is so energetic.
Yes, fantastic. It means amazing, wonderful, super good.
Super good. So when you are feeling very happy, very excited, you say, I am fantastic.
Exactly. Like you got good news. You had a great day. You are feeling amazing. I am fantastic. Thanks.
I am fantastic, thanks. Friends, say it with energy. Say it like you mean it.
Yes, with energy. I am fantastic. Thanks.
Yes, feel it. I am fantastic.
Hehe, good. Now, answer number 7. This one is a little different.
Different? How?
Answer number 7 is, could be better, but I am okay.
Oh, could be better, but I'm okay. This is when you are not feeling 100%, right?
Exactly. Could be better, it means things are not perfect. Maybe I am a little tired. Maybe I had a small bad day.
But I'm okay means I am still fine, not terrible, just not perfect.
Yes, honest answer, real answer. Because friends, not every day is a perfect day, right?
Right. Some days are just okay, and that is fine.
And in English, it is totally okay to say could be better. It is honest and natural.
Very natural. Real people say this. Could be better, but I'm okay.
Say it, friends, slowly. Could be better, but I am okay.
One more time. Could be better, but I'm okay.
Perfect. Honest and real. I love this answer.
Me too. Okay, number 8.
Answer number 8. Busy but good, thanks.
Busy but good, thanks. Oh yes, this is so real.
Yes, because life is busy, right? We're always busy.
Always busy. Work, family, studies, always something.
So busy but good, it means, yes, I have a lot to do, but I am doing well.
It is a very honest and relatable answer. Everyone is busy.
Everyone understands busy.
And it's a great conversation starter too, because the other person might ask, "Oh, what are you busy with?"
Ooh, yes, and then conversation continues. Ha
Always keep the conversation going, friends. That is the secret of English.
Big secret. Okay, busy but good, thanks. Say it.
Busy but good, thanks.
Again, busy but good, thanks.
Great. Number 9 now.
Answer number 9, living the dream. This one is funny.
Living the dream. I love this one.
Okay, so living the dream, this is actually a little sarcastic sometimes, but also fun.
Sarcastic means you say one thing, but you mean something a little different in a funny way.
Yes, so sometimes living the dream means life is amazing, everything is perfect.
But sometimes it means, well, it is not perfect, but I am surviving.
Yes, it is a funny answer. People laugh when you say this.
And laughing is good. English conversations should be fun.
Always fun. So, living the dream, you can use it when you are happy or when you want to be a little funny and make people laugh.
Perfect for both situations.
Say it with a smile. Living the dream.
Living the dream.
With more energy. Living the dream.
Yes, I love it. Okay, last one. Number 10.
Number 10, our last answer, and this one is very warm, very friendly.
Warm and friendly. Tell us.
Answer number 10, better now that you asked. Thanks.
Aw, better now that you asked. Jack, this is so sweet.
Yes, better now that you asked means just because you talked to me, I am feeling better.
Aw, it is like a compliment to the other person.
Exactly. You are saying, I am happy because of you, because you talked to me.
People love this answer. It makes them feel special.
Very special, and it is so easy to say.
So easy and so sweet. Better now that you asked. Thanks.
Say it, friends, with a warm smile. Better now that you asked. Thanks.
One more time. Better now that you asked. Thanks.
Beautiful. And that is our number 10.
All 10 done. Yay!
Haha, amazing. Okay, friends, let's do our final review. All 10 answers together.
Final review time. Let's go.
Number 1, I am doing well, thank you.
Number 2, I'm great. Thanks for asking.
Number 3, not bad, thanks.
Number 4, pretty good. How about you?
Number 5, I'm doing good, and you?
Number 6, I am fantastic. Thanks.
Number 7, could be better, but I'm okay.
Number 8, busy but good. Thanks.
Number 9, living the dream.
Number 10, better now that you asked. Thanks.
10 answers, all easy, all natural, all ready to use tomorrow in real life.
Tomorrow, no excuses.
Friends, you are amazing. You finished the whole video.
That means you're serious about learning English, and we are so proud of you.
So proud. Keep going. Do not stop.
Every day, a little bit, and slowly, your English will get so much better.
Slowly, slowly. That is the secret. No rush, just daily practice.
Daily practice. That is why we're here. Daily Talk English every Monday to Friday just for you.
So if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe right now.
And press the bell icon so you get a notification every time we upload a new video.
New video every weekday, 5 days a week, all for free.
All free. No excuse not to learn.
And friends, one small homework for you today.
Homework, but easy homework.
Go to someone today, a friend, a family member, anyone, and ask them, "How are you?" And then listen to their answer.
And you answer them back using one of our 10 new answers.
Just try it once. You'll feel so confident.
So confident. And then come back here and tell us in the comments which answer did you use.
Yes, comment below. We read every single comment.
Every comment. We love hearing from you.
Okay, friends, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching Daily Talk English.
Thank you. You are the best students in the world.
The absolute best. We will see you in the next video.
See you next time. Keep talking, keep learning. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, everyone. Take care.